today's video, we are going to create our web hosting using Firebase. So first, you have to search for Firebase. Next, you have to click on Firebase and get started. You have to click on new project and blogger website. Continue. Okay, next just click on continue and so just wait for some seconds. So you have to just download this template and the link is in description box, and you have to also install VS Code and Node.js. So over here it is only available for Windows, but if you go over the download section you can find for all platforms: Windows, Mac, and also Linux. And you can also download VS Code also for all platforms. So next, so now as our project has been created, you can just click on continue. So you have to install both of them by just clicking on the install button and just completing the process. So as our project has been created, you have to click on web over here, and you have to click on also set up Firebase hosting because we need the hosting. So you can just name your web app as something called blogger website 2022 or any name you like. So next you have to just add Firebase Sdk. For that you have to extract this zip, this down which the file which you downloaded, the zip you have to extract, and you will get a folder called blogger. So you have to just open that folder and you will find all the files. So you have the blogger, you have to just right click and click on give access to, send to, and you have to just search for VS Code, or else you can just go over VS Code and click on open folder and open the folder. So I have already opened the folders, you can see. So what you need next is just new terminal. So by default it will open a PowerShell, but you can't use a PowerShell. So what you have to do is just click on this plus and click on command prompt and just close the PowerShell. So you see CMD has been opened. To check if the node has been installed, you can just type npm/p to check the version. So you see 8.1.2. So next you have to go to here and just click npm install and just copy this and paste it. So I have to wait for some seconds and it will start the installation process. So we can just click on next, or this function, you see this one, it is not required for web hosting, so we will just keep it. So next you have to just copy this and still it is installing. I have to wait for some seconds. So now the installation is complete. So next you have to just paste npm install g Firebase tools and wait for some seconds. So this command is for installing the Firebase tools so that we could use web hosting and many other. So after that you have to copy Firebase login. So you have to wait for some seconds again. So you see some warnings might have come. So you just don't need to worry about it. So next you have to just type Firebase login and click on enter. So you see it is asking allow Firebase to collect CLI usage and error reporting information. I have to just click on Y. So it will redirect it to you for signing in to your account. So you can just sign in. So I have just given access and you see Firebase CLI login is successful. So you can just go back and you see success. So next you have to just click on copy the Firebase in it and just paste it. So actually next you have to deploy your file. So you see you're currently outside your home directory. You can just click on Y and using your arrow key you have to just search for hosting. So you see hosting, configure files for Firebase hosting and optionally set up GitHub action deploy. So you have to just use your arrow key and just press space and enter. So use an existing project and you see blogger website, the project name. Okay, enter. So you see you have to just create a new file inside this blogger, a new file called new folder called public and just paste all your files inside it. So you see now I have created and pasted. So now you see you have to just click on Y. So you have to just click on N and So next you can just click on Firebase deploy and my file is deploying. You see deploy complete and hosting URL it has given. So you can just follow the link. So you see after some time my website has been published. You see. So thank you.